Huh?
Are you alright?
Stop. Why y'all pushing
Because
me?
you're backing up against me.
Right?
I was moving. Why
You're
y'all
backing up against me in my safe space, buddy. Nothing.
Back up.
You just pushed me.
I'm telling you right now to back up.
Why?
I'm telling you right now to back
Why?
up. Because I'm taking this as a threat. You need
What
to back up
did I
right
do?
now.
You guys got his information?
Yeah.
On July 30th around 8:35 p.m., a heated neighborhood dispute in Joliet, Illinois, quickly escalated into a tense confrontation with police. Officers responding to reports of an argument encountered a 37-year-old man who allegedly lifted his shirt several times, causing concern that he might be armed. As officers attempted to calm the situation, authorities said the man became increasingly aggressive and repeatedly threatened to fight them. Police reported that he continued advancing toward officers despite commands before he was ultimately taken into custody without further incident.
What are you throwing? Why'd you just throw it at me?
You just walked by me. You gonna beat me up?
No.
What you wanna do?
What are you doing here, man?
You doing everything you wanna do. You just walked by me with your
It was at 112.
Yeah, gang.
You
just call me.
Which house is it?
Not with an ER, with an A.
Huh? Who called you that?
It's 2023. You can go to the liquor store and get anything you want. It don't matter how much money you spend. It's a guarantee. The
Okay.
you're trying to spend.
Were you the one who called the police? No? Okay. Have you just been drinking tonight?
Yes,
Okay. Nothing wrong with
I
that,
can
man.
smoke too.
Alright.
That's, you know that.
Well, we just don't want you to go back. That's fine. Can you just leave him alone for tonight?
Looking for a reason.
Well, we got other officers
I'm
out there
black.
talking to him now. I don't want you to fall over, dude.
Cause I'm black, man. That's sad, bro.
So you live at 112? This house right here?
I don't live nowhere. I live right there in the middle of the street. That's 1111222333333.
Why don't you want to go back inside, dude? Why don't you want to go back inside, man?
You seen that?
Seen what?
You seen it.
Seen what?
You okay?
You need an ambulance?
You like what?
Yeah, I like shit. You can't be rough all your life. You can't be a ass man. See how you just got jiggy with that shit?
What shit?
Just like that.
There's no need right now.
Just like me. There's no need, but why everybody looking at me like I'm a bogus ass nigga?
You're the one saying it, not me.
You in my face.
I'm like multiple feet away from you.
Okay, I'm going to stop. Come on, do that. Please.
Your house is that way, dude.
Why are you gonna get my
Alright, that's
ID,
fine. No, you can go wherever you want.
No. He's just He's just a little confused of what's going on with this gentleman. How's it going, sir?
What happened?
I'm here to ask you that, or I'm assuming they already asked you that.
Huh?
Are you alright?
Stop. Why y'all pushing
Because
me?
you're backing up against me.
Right?
I was moving. Why
You're
y'all
backing up against me in my safe space, buddy.
I ain't did
personal
nothing
space.
wrong. Y'all all just pushed me, bro.
I pushed you away from you.
That's your second time. That's his second time. That's his second time.
Well, it's all recorded.
You know that.
So, okay, so what do you guys
How did that work?
Nothing.
He says that back up.
You just pushed me.
I'm telling you right now to back up.
Why?
I'm telling you right now to back
Why?
up because I'm taking this as a threat. You need to
What
back up
did I
right
do?
now.
You guys got his information?
Yeah, I got it. Right.
What did I do? He could rough me up. I ain't did nothing wrong.
Dude,
What did I
they're
do?
just confused of why
You
this
know.
guy's harassing them, that's all.
He's highly intoxicated and he said he's looking for a fight. So
Okay.
I am. So what you gonna do? You gonna beat me up?
I'm telling you to back off. As long as you back off, I don't care what you're doing.
Dude, just go back into your house.
You see that?
Just go back into your house. It's right
That was
there.
your second time.
Good.
You only
Go
got
to your
one more
house.
time.
Go to
Try
your
me
house.
like that.
You want to
I don't
throw
give
me?
a about these niggas. I'm gonna knock your ass out.
Put your hands on
You guys got it? Yep. One dude detained right now or in custody?
Yep, detained.
25, we got one detained. It's going to be the one that 24 ran.
Pull my pants up and shit. You can't pull my pants up? You acting like a
Okay.
Yeah, you see that shit? You see that?
Okay.
You want me to stand straight so you can tap me and pat me and all this goofy ass shit? Can you pull my pants up and shit?
Oh, you dropped him.
You see how that happened?
I did see how it happened.
The
The camera
I
saw
did.
how it happened.
I did. I just stood up for y'all.
Go ahead.
See? See?
Alright, hold on.
See how that happened? You see? You see how that happened? Keep going. Keep going.
10-4, thank
What'd
you.
I do? What I do
You're
wrong, man?
You're not under arrest right now. You're just detained. All right.
To be detained for what?
Go ahead.
What I do? Cause I got a
For
big
our
dick.
safety, because you were bumping into
I got a
us
big
and
dick.
shit.
My dick too big.
No.
Your wife like it? I can't even complain for you because you a young nigga. You know what time it is. You outside? He's a police officer. Man,
It's red and white clothing with a black beard.
am I crazy?
Hold on.
Yeah, see, you see how this shit works?
He says he his dick. Oh, okay.
They just want to. You see how you just got in the car and got your car and came back so you see my dick?
Come this way, dude.
No, I can't walk. Pull my pants
All
up.
right, here we go. Come on. There you go.
Grab
buddy.
my
Come on.
shit.
Let's go this way.
That's what you do.
Go ahead and
Don't hurt me.
I'm
Can't be a hindrance.
Get some information. See if they want to report this.
That's gonna hurt you in the long run. That's gonna shorten your life. Keep playing with it.
Come on, let's go.
Right,
Get inside.
come on, what? Don't push me.
Well, you're not
Let me
getting in.
get in.
Let me go around.
Don't push me.
All right. Get inside. Come on.
Don't push me. Don't touch me.
There you
I'm not
go.
running from there.
Come on,
One of you
scoot back.
niggas.
Scoot back in there. Come on, buddy. Come on. Scoot back in there. There we go. Want to put his... That's fine. Don't let people get in your face like that. You don't know if he's trying to attack you. At that point, it's an assault. He said we have one last chance. That's an assault. Oh, we don't have cameras. No.
I'm just waiting for Guerrero to get their information. They're a little hesitant because they're a little scared that he's gonna do like slash his tires and whatnot. So.
Okay. Well, if they don't want to, I mean, you guys agree on ag assault?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So if someone's getting in your face and making threats like that, don't let them. Because that can easily, this could have turned into a fight. Now, why are we going to let him stay out of cuffs, right? When at that point, it could become him swinging at us, and we could have ended up either injuring him or something like that. If you can avoid, basically, the way the lieutenants always put it for us is, the minimal effort, the minimal amount of hands-on you have to use, or the effort or force that you have to use right now, could save you from a way greater amount of force you have to use later, right? So us putting him in handcuffs right now, which he is going to be in custody no matter what. I'm just waiting on what charge we're going to go with. Doing this could have prevented him stepping back and then starting to swing, right? So if someone is telling you, hey, that's the second time, you got one last chance, what is that to you? Is that a threat?
Yeah.
Exactly. So don't let that happen. Especially intoxicated like that, you don't know what he's going to do. Okay. We don't want to hurt him. We don't want to use excessive force. We don't want to go above. So to do that, minimize it. Just throw him in cuffs. Get this done with. Right?
Yep.
There's no need to be rude, unprofessional, anything like that. Just basically handle.
Yeah.
The man was arrested and booked into the Will County Jail on multiple charges, including aggravated assault involving police officers, disorderly conduct, and assault. Authorities said the incident stemmed from a dispute between neighbors that escalated when officers arrived on scene. No injuries were reported during the encounter, and police were able to take the man into custody without further incident. Court records regarding bond, bail, or his current custody status were not immediately available. Want to watch more videos like this one? Click the one on the screen now.